Hi there, students. A rabble. Okay, a rabble is a disorderly crowd, a disordered mob, a group of people with no cohesion. So, by the end of the battle, the defeated army was just a rabble. Okay, so the opposite of an ordered group, a group with no cohesion, no messages going backwards and forwards, no knowing what they were doing. There was a rabble of protesters shouting outside the factory. Okay, so notice a rabble is a pejorative word. We never use this word rabble in a positive way. It's saying a disorganized group of people. There was a rabble of journalists outside the courtroom. So if we use rabble in this way, it's neutral formality. However, rabble we use much more commonly as an insult, as a way of showing contempt or a bad opinion of a group of people. So, for example, your football team is a rabble. That rabble will never beat us. And if you use rabble like this, it's an informal way of insulting, of being rude, of saying you have no cohesion, no organisation. Yeah, you're completely disordered. Yeah, you are no good. Maybe if you work for a company, then you would call your competitors a rabble. Yeah, they don't have good management. Okay, notice as well, you can also use the rabble to talk snobbishly about the ordinary people, the normal people in a country. Yeah, so the rabble are asking for higher wages. Okay, the rabble, the ordinary people. So you have the nobility and the rabble. Notice this is pretty snobbish, upper class, and pretty rude. Yeah, it's a way of putting down ordinary people. Okay, and that's probably informal as well, but most commonly it's used to insult the opposition, to insult your friend's team, to be rude about a group that you don't like at all. Okay, I also read that you can call a group of butterflies a rabble. It's not a common word, a rabble of butterflies. And also, a rabble can be a tool in metallurgy, which you use to stir or skim molten metal. Okay, metal that has been melted, molten. Okay, so a rabble, a disordered mob, a disordered group. Yeah, think about a rabble of journalists asking for an interview. Okay, without cohesion, without organisation, but most commonly as an insult against a group of people you don't like. The government is a rabble. Yeah, your team is a rabble. Your company is a rabble. That rabble, the management, couldn't organise anything. They couldn't organise a piss-up in a brewery. So they're totally useless. Okay? So the opposite of a rabble is an ordered group. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.